Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The opposition PNP is calling on the government to roll back the General Consumption Tax GCT. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips argues that the tax reduction is more crucial since the country is bracing for the economic fallout from COVID-19 coronavirus. He was speaking at a party meeting in Golden Spring Sunday night. Andrew Ledley reports.
As COVID-19 continues to wreak havoc on global economies, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips is urging the government to take proactive measures. Among those measures, a rollback of the General Consumption Tax, GCT. He says the tax, which has been constant at 16.5% for the last 9 years, is an unnecessary burden at this time.
I tell them reduce the GCT and put some money in the people's pocket so they can at least feed themselves a little easier.
In the past, Dr. Phillips has suggested that the government cut the tax by 2%. On this occasion, he argued on the premise that Jamaicans are finding it hard to make ends meet.
We're concerned with who can go supermarket and who can go corner shop day by day. For who can find an opportunity to buy what them need, and if you have put back goods as them go a cash register, you have to send it back, because the money in your purse and the money in your pocket can't stretch to buy what your family needs.
Comparatively, Jamaica's GCT rate is not out of line with other countries in the region. For example, Barbados's rate is at 17.5%, Guyana at 14%, and Trinidad at 12.5%. But that's not the only thing Dr. Phillips is finding a problem with. He's also casting doubts over the 2020-2021 estimates of expenditure, which is now before the House of Representatives.
When we look at what is happening in the economy, all we see is more gloom and more difficulty facing the people of the country.
Over the last 15 years, the general consumption tax rate has changed twice. An increase in 2010 brought the rate to 17.5%, but the rate was lowered in 2012 to 16.5%. Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange main index declined by 13,201 points today, falling to a 10-month low. In an interview with the Business Day, Chief Executive Officer of Mayberry Investments, Gary Peart, outlined what might be causing the volatility.
One of the first things is that we have a large IPO in the market, which is Trans Jamaica, and indications are that, they're getting a good response. So that would dry up a lot of liquidity from out of other stocks in the market. So we actually saw this trend starting from before the IPO opened, and the trend would continue. The market has been going up for some time, and as I said, there's a lot of profits. A lot of stockholders are holding on to a lot of profit. So some of them will take profits from time to time. There are issues out there. There's volatility in the foreign exchange market, and that's also another factor. The dollar has revalued, so some people might take the opportunity to buy foreign exchange now. Sometimes the stock has to pull back for people to get some stocks cheaper, and then it will run again.
And the junior market index also dipped by 45 points. Among the heavy losers, Caribbean Cement, which declined by $12.57, Epley Caribbean Property Fund down $4.49, and NCB Financial Group, which slipped by $7.15. Other losers included Access Financial Services, Jetcon Corporation, and Blue Power Group. Among the winners, Key Insurance, Lasco Distributors, General Accident Insurance Company, Indus Pharma, and Caribbean Producers Group. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.31, the Canadian dollar $102.17. The pound sterling costs $175, while the euro sells for $152.46. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.